Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to attach a zip file to your email on the new Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, you may have noticed that we haven't migrated to the latest version of the application. That's okay. So now before we do anything, let's minimize Outlook for the moment. Go all the way down to the dock. Go to the Photos application, decrease the size of this. Now take a couple of photos we wish to work with, drag and drop those onto the desktop. There we go. We can now quit the Photos application, go directly to the desktop again, highlight those images, right click, compress to a zip. That's fine. Archive.zip. We can now delete those images that we no longer require. We can also empty the bin, go all the way down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook, compose a new email, which we will be sending to the Computer Science Videos business@gmail account. Now let's compile an email. Dear CSV, please see the attached zip file. Kind regards, admin. Attach the signature. Before we do anything, let's now attach the zip file by clicking on attach, archive.zip, choose. And so the zip file has now been attached to the email. Let's now add a subject, zip file. Click on send. The email has now been sent. Let's now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, enter to open up the web browser, go to Gmail. To see the email that was sent, which we have on screen, click on this. Dear CSV, please see the attached zip file. There we have it. Click on this. We would have to open up the zip file for it to extract. Click on an image, which we cannot, and therefore we would have to download that zip file. Click on that. The zip file has extracted, and there we go. So we can now quit Finder, quit Google Chrome, go all the way down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook, quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.